He's sliding it out of there and into the next one, really.
Certainly grabbed Mark's attention. I think we're on board with him now. In fact, Mark was struggling. Marc Marquez is having moments galore, isn't he, Simon, today? I mean, he's clearly at the moment struggling to get that rear tyre hooked up.
What are we going to see here? Just rear. Fantastic.
As you so easy to make a mistake there, trail braking hard to get yourself set up for those final two corners. That's going to... Oh, Jack Miller, careful again. There, you could just see there, you've only got to be, what, a fraction, and that Ducati struggling for grit. So that just shows you've got to be so precise around this circuit.
Oh, wow. Oh, gosh, Zonta. Probably not done that before just yet. Gonna give you a shock. Ooh, that was a close one for Chantra.
Rear nearly came round on him, the brake, as he was leant over there.
Ethan Guevara, wow, really pushing the front. Somehow he stays upright, because we haven't seen any notice of any kind of crashes. We haven't seen a single crash all day yet, unbelievably. That's perhaps the closest we've come.